Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Aura Light on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on dynamic light. Now from here, just enable dynamic light. Now from here, just tap on turn on. Now from here, just tap on incoming calls and enable incoming calls. Now from here, go back and tap on notifications. Now from here, just enable notifications. Now once you enable this feature and if you receive a call or a notification on your smartphone, the Aura light will start blinking to notify you that a notification has arrived. Just like that. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now from here, just tap on the flash icon at the top of your smartphone. Now from here, just make sure you enable Aura Light. Now once you enable Aura Light, the Aura Light feature on your smartphone will act as a ring light when you use the camera of your smartphone to capture photos or record videos. Now from here, you can change the temperature of the Aura light from here. As you can see. And also, if you tap on this A icon, the Aura light will automatically adjust the temperature based on your surroundings. And this is how you can enable Aura light on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.